Comte founded the social science, and it is important to remember in our more cynical times the ideal to which they aspired. Comte and other early social scientists assumed that human behavior must obey laws just as strict as Newton's law of motion. If we could discover them, we could eliminate more evils in exactly the same way that medical scientists were then discovering how diseases work and were eliminating most of the physical suffering, which had always been an inevitable part of human condition. In his earlier, less systematic work, he influenced such figures as J.S. Mill, T.H. Huxley, George Henry Lewis, and George Eliot. They all gradually fell away as his philosophy became more rigidly systematic.
Created using Powtoon.